Alrighty, so my buddy Jeff let me drive his Rmax on 6-inch portals and 37s, and I could not believe how smooth that thing rides, being, it's gotten portals. Steers like factory, rides like factory. And that's because they really beefed this thing up compared to my Wolverine. This is a picture of the frame tabs here, if you look on the right at the screen. This is how you design frame tabs for, like, portals. I mean, it's designed very well, very stiff tabs. You don't need to do any frame stiffeners on this thing. I really like that. Its main competition is obviously the new P1000, the 2022 P1005, because they're both the short wheelbase 4-seaters, technically a 5-seater on the Pioneer. But this thing smokes the Pioneer. Way smoother suspension, way better ride, way more premium feeling interior. Yes, the new Pioneer's got some good upgrades on it, but this frame's still a lot beefier. So I might be canceling my 22 Pioneer and getting one of these. But anyways, this is not a super hardcore ride. I just kind of cruised around and it wasn't mine. But I do have one of these reserved in Moab, and I'm going to beat the shit out of it because it's a rental. So this is just like my first chance to drive one of these, and I wanted to show you guys some footage of it. But super smooth buggy. I got to get one. This interior feels like a car, dude. It's like premium. Yeah, that's all stock?
Yeah.
Goal. Move, bitch! Get out the way! Steers pretty good. Strong power steering. I went to go shift. Do some high off. Yep. Oh, it is geared low. Damn.
Yeah, I mean, this thing runs like 9,500 RPM. Oh, you're in low range?
Yeah.
Put it in high.
Okay. That's what I feel in both. Pretty cushy. These seats are nice. Oh yeah. Let's fuck with them. What are those, 32s? It's yompy. It's like when in low range like that.
It's got that sport mode too.
Oh, okay. You change the throttle response. Whoa, that makes a difference. Wow, it really changes the throttle response. So it's fly-by-wire. It's changing your throttle curve.
Yeah, when I'm
My Wolverine is too. I like that. And you got real diff lock. That's awesome. Wow. For being that high, that's pretty cushy. Yeah, that's the thing. If you do 6-inch portals, you don't really need to snorkel it.
Yeah, that's why I did it, just to keep my feet dry on loose.
Yeah. I really like these seats. That's a big difference.
Fell in that hole, upside down, this in the water.
It's busy out here, man.
Honestly, compared to the Can-Am, I rode in the Can-Am. I mean, the Can-Am, you can't,
Yeah.
But this was like the closest thing kind of a sporty 4-seater.
Yeah. And it's a short wheelbase 4-seater.
It's like considered to the Talon 2 stock. The Talon, this thing rides just even better.
Yeah, yeah, and the Talon 4-seater is too long. I'm gonna see how it does right here on these guys. That is not bad. Wow. They're expensive though. They want a fucking pretty penny for these things in Florida.
30 out the door.
Yeah, that's...
You know, you're walking in through there,
Yeah.
It'll take off.
Yeah.
Kind of smooth.
So the back diff's always locked. There's no turf mode bullshit,
Yeah.
right?